new day in Nigeria. Welcome to Bystander at Newsstand on Flip TV. I am Akimbodu Abiodun, and on this edition we will be reviewing from the Vanguard. Yes, the Vanguard, and we will be taking a look at the headline reads. That reads, "We are back to the cracks, militant." And on the other hand, the headline reads, "Federal government approved 6.7 trillion naira on national health plan." Let's hear people's review. Come along.
Audio Jungle.
We're still on Bystander at Newsstand on Flip TV. With me here is Mr. Victor, who would review. We are back to the correct militant. What do you have to say, sir?
Well, it's a militant. If they want to come back, fine. Because I know it is where they make money. It is where all the whole this country is making money. Oh yeah, everything is there. So except this government, except this government will make sure that we ensure that they are well okay. Because one, those boys, those militants are there. Some of them are lawyers, in fact, of different fields. No,
Graduates.
There's no job. If you don't have a job now, you can do anything you want. So they are coming back means we want to tell this administration that they should do something good for them.
All right, sir. On the other hand, the headline reads that federal government approved 6.07 trillion naira and for national health plan. And then on the other hand, patient grown as last week doctors are down on strike.
Yes, Sam. This government should have done something good, because without doctor, you cannot live. In terms of the federal government approved for something if for a campaign, if for campaign, they're telling lies. If for campaign, all this money they're planning are giving out, not for anything. If for campaign, so if you see federal government say approve 2 billion, a lie. It's a campaign.
We're still on Bystander at Newsstand, and with me here is Pastor Columbus, who would review federal government approved 6.7 trillion naira on national health plan. And also, we are back to the correct militants. What's your view, sir?
About the militants?
Yes, sir.
Well, I believe if the government have done what they ought to do, the militants will not return back to the crack. So that's all I have to say about that.
All right, what of federal government's approval of 6.7 on health plan?
Well, I don't have much to say about that.
Do you think this is just a way to extort money, or do you think it's for real that they want to?
Well, whatever they do, as long as it doesn't get to individual pockets, no problem.
What's your expectation for 2019 election?
From what?
For 2019 election. What is your expectation?
I wish God would disgrace the liars. I pray that God would disgrace and expose the liars.
We're still on Bystander at Newsstand. With me here is Mr. Taufik, who will review federal government approved 6.7 trillion naira on national health plan. What's your view, sir?
I think all this, they are another way of scamming us, as in to push us forward. This is what they want to use money to do, and I don't think this is something necessary to do. For now.
So it's not necessary for now, but they just want to scam us.
They want to scam us, that's what I see.
What is your expectation for 2019 elections, sir?
Well, I don't think more to know about election, because I'm not
Alright. We're still on Bystander at Newsstand, and with me here is Mr. Sunday, who would review federal government approved 6.7 trillion naira on national health plan. What's your view, sir?
The national health plan that they approved, so for me, I see like something they are using to campaign for 2019, because they know, all of them know for 3 years they are in power. Maybe Nigeria did not have anything as national health plan, and still if our president is sick, he will run to another country. So it's now that 2019 is coming, that's why they say they want to approve this thing. And this was just a campaign promise. There's nothing they can do there. That is what I have for there.
Militants are coming back. What is your view about it, sir?
Yes, if we don't let the militants come there, because the embarrassment in this government is too much. It's not everybody that government see, they begin to embarrass the person. Because the man that they went to raid his house is a Nigerian citizen. Yes. And the man speaks for the right of everybody, not speaking for himself. Well, it means that the president did not want anybody to speak what he do, bad or good again. That's why they have to send people to his home and raid his home, say they are looking for money and weapons. And what did they think that they take out of them? They did not see the money, they did not see the weapon. What is the extent of raiding the man out? Because the man is an elder man. He's an elder statesman for the Niger Delta. So if the military come back, anything that the government should let them take it like that. Because that is what they are looking for. And if they can harass everybody and nobody speak. But when they come for, there are people that the government cannot touch like that, and people will just fold their hand. That is it.
We've heard the people speak. Nigerians have spoken. We're back to the correct. They've said the militant. The federal government approved 6.7 trillion naira on national health plan. This is Bystander at Newsstand on Flip TV. I am Akimbodo Abiodun. Until next time, bye-bye.